Alright, welcome back to a new episode of Razorbait's Outdoors channel here. We are at the Rodman Reservoir, or the Ocklawaha River, during the drawdown. We're on Ethan's new boat. Check it out. He got himself for Christmas a little Pelican bass boat for a Pelican pond hopper. Pond prowler. A Pelican pond prowler is what he called it. So we are gonna try to catch a few fish. We got out here, it's late. Let's see, it's 11:25. I say late, I mean, we're here. The drawdown, people catch fish all day long here. We put in at the Orange Springs boat ramp. As you can see, all the trucks out there. We're fishing on a Monday today, so he's out of school. It's just after Christmas. We're gonna see if we can't catch a fish or two. Wind is blowing about 11 miles an hour. As y'all could probably hear, we have a cold front coming in tonight. We just wanted to try his boat out, and we figured what better place than, no better place than here. To try and do it. But if we stop the trolling motor, or put it on two, go the other way because that wind is just blowing. I don't know if y'all can hear it. I'm sure y'all can hear it. I know I can hear it. I'm throwing razor baits, Magnum quiver quick worm. Ethan's throwing a mega bass jerk bait. And he said shout out to Spanky, which is a buddy that I work with. Got him this bait for Christmas, so Spanky, he wants to say thank you. There it is. Hopefully, here, let me turn around. He said hopefully he can catch one today. I think he can. This is a perfect place to throw it, especially with this water cooling down and stuff. But we'll see. I really wish the wind is blowing out of the southwest, right up the Ocklawaha River. And I mean, so if it's blowing up the river plus the current's flowing, you already know we're getting blown around. Never been here during the drawdown. My bass boat, we didn't want to bring it because we really wanted to try his little boat out. Oh, and my boat, my throttle cable the last time we were on it, I think the week of Thanksgiving, my throttle cable got stuck and I haven't even messed with it yet. It got stuck in the on position or the go-go position, and I had to kill the motor to stop us from going. So that was fun. Yeah, we were going 40 miles an hour in a no wake zone because I couldn't, the throttle was stuck and I couldn't stop it. We're just gonna try to lower this just a little bit more. See if I can get rid of some of that vibration. Again, we're trying this for the first time, so it might be a little better. But that wind is killer today. But this little boat, if you've never had one, I had something called a bass hound that my mother gave me a long time ago. She is now passed. Thanks, Mom, for the boat. It was awesome. We used it for a few years. We upgraded, and then we finally got a couple bass boats in. But this is a pretty neat little rig. It's a pontoon type little small pond hopper, or Rodman Reservoir hopper today. Yeah, the wind's supposed to start shifting a little bit. Instead of coming out of the southwest, it's supposed to come from the west, which would be better for us. But you know how the Weather Channel doesn't always tell the truth. So I guess we'll see what it really does. Oh my goodness, something just nailed it. Yeah, it might have got my tail though. Oh my goodness, y'all, look at this. It might have been a gar or mudfish. I mean, it just smoked it. So I have no idea. Well, we're gonna change it up and put another one on. Throwing that razor baits, quiver quick, in candy bug. And I'm throwing a big, what is this, a 7/0? Now how? Alright guys, so if you ain't ever used one of these anchor holders and rollers, let me just show you this real quick. My pole is way up high, Ethan. Alright? Let me show y'all this. All you do, you just pull it through that little loop and hole. And you can even leave it hang over the edge of the boat. Just drop that piece down and that'll hold it in place. Said we were going to wait till the wind dies, but we needed to go. And then when you want to stop again, or when you want to hold on a spot, all you do is just pull that rope right there. Just pull it, it'll raise that thing and your anchor can drop. Are you throwing that flimsy stuff?
Yeah.
Maybe I had an alligator bite my line, y'all. Oh, we got a fishy!
Supposedly this is supposed to be when we're supposed to be big.
We're supposed to be catching big fish. Look at old Ethan. Ethan wearing it out back here.
This is what happened last time.
You need to get me a good thumbnail of that one. That's a pretty bass, by the way, first off.
Pretty.
I'm telling you, whatever hit my bait was not that size.
I felt the thump and I'm like, that was fish.
Because whatever hit mine, it's about snatched the rod out my hand. Yeah. On your little boat. Better slow down going through here. You caught him a fish, y'all. That's all right. It wasn't for all for naught. You caught your fish. Look at that out there. And this isn't even the big side of Rodman. This is just the Ocklawaha River channel. There he is, y'all. Rodman Reservoir. put that anchor down for just a minute, Ethan. There he is.
Little fatty guy. Short and
Can't turn around all the way. It's not weathering.
It looks like a bass.
Where?
His eyeballs, the grass.
Sure does, y'all. Look at that. That looks like a bass right there. Do you see that log? Looks like a bass jumped out of the water. That's what it looks like. Let's get a picture of that. Because I don't think I'm gonna. Looks like a bass. Jumping out of the water.
You check the other fish on mine, not working.
Look at it, because last time I got easy. Nice and easy. Sorry guys, I know that video's gonna be crooked. It's a 2.5 pounder. Let me sit down. Can't record. Here. 2-pounder. Let me turn around. You need to sit down. Jeez. Good fish, good fish.
1.5, 2-pounder.
And we're fishing fast, y'all, because this current's just carrying us. He's about to put it back in the water. Good catch. New boat, new rod.
Lift it up.
You would almost think we'd have a little more action today with this cold front coming through, but it doesn't matter. He's catching fish, and our main goal today was to test out his boat.
That's scary.
That's my rod right there.
Oh yeah, son. Oh yeah.
Oh, we doubled and
up on babies.
it's all good. Hold on.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That work? Oh yeah. At least you can say you caught one. You can't.
I can, y'all.
You can't get skunked.
I didn't get skunked, but it did take a hot minute. That fish just got me back though, let me tell you.
Spined you in the hand?
No, he made me stick myself. Look at that right there. He made me stick myself.
Bam! double.
There they are,
baby.
double babies. And he called it too. He said maybe right off this edge of this sand and grass.
Here, scoot him. Here, look at me.
Oh, gotta make sure. Send it to me. Here, let me get one with my phone.
Your fish is pretty. Mine's
Yeah.
like sand. Yours is his tail.
Let's do. Whoops. All right, selfie mode. Get it out there. There we go. 1, 2.
Two little babies swim off together.
He literally made that entire hook.
They just stick yourself pretty good.
Yeah.
I felt that fish hit it, but I didn't know if it was a fish or not.
I felt mine
They're
too.
all down this.
Yeah?
All the babies are all
Look.
down this.
Well, there might be big ones too. He just caught a second one. Second one off the same spot. Right off the edge. Big ones are probably sitting here too, but there he goes, y'all.
Bite. Another one. Another one. Bite. And Rodman is supposed to be this place to hold these big old fish, and then this is what we sit here and catch every time we go.
Well, you gotta have
You gotta reach for other little ones.
little ones to catch big ones.
I don't care. I like catching fish. Some people would get upset for catching the little ones. Heck, it's better not catching nothing.
Now this whole little cove right here. Oh,
You get big again.
yep. It could have been. I might not have got bit.
Oh, that's me. Sorry, Dad.
Or you're gonna have to.
It's okay. It's a bluegill.
It's a bluegill, so maybe I was getting hit.
Sorry,
Oh
that
my
was kinda my
goodness.
bad. I thought you were gonna go to that side. Am I? I think he's still on. He just doesn't look like it. Yeah, he's still on. I was about to jerk my line. Oh, he's under the boat right now.
My goodness, I still.
He's pretty.
Found some fish right here in this one little spot. Nothing big. I think that rain and wind is. That rain's coming. Might need to. Try and cast behind you down that same bank in that same like spot. Carefully. Don't hit me though.
Well, Dad, the boat.
Yeah. Well, the boat is seaworthy, y'all. It also catches fish.
It's small. It's not, but he has red eyes.
He ain't got red eyes.
So, I lied. It looked like he did.
So we caught.
A 1 pounder, a 2 pounder,
Let me see. There he is, y'all. Dang. This is where I had that big one chase me. Well, out of all the days to go to Rodman during the drawdown, yesterday probably would have been a little better than today. Just because it was a warm front, or it's been warm and warm and warm. Today is that cold front's pushing through. That's what this is. By Wednesday, today's Monday, by Wednesday we have a freeze warning. I'm just gonna, it sure does look like a huge gator, doesn't it? Yeah. We're just gonna try to cruise back in, Ethan. But for the record, I'm gonna have to take this because I don't want to get any wetter than I really got to. Caught himself another little fish. Well guys, this here's gonna be it. I'm gonna call it on his little fish catch.
Little
There it is.
fish catch. Oh, that's our video.
All right. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.